Hello boys, let's we start a new lesson in English. The title of the lesson is Every Drop Counts. This is a heart-touching concept on water conservation. It is not an imaginary story, but it inspires us. It was written by Abid Surti. He was born on 5th May 1935 in Mumbai. Who is the founder of NGO that Drop Dead Foundation that strives to save water by repairing leaking taps. He wrote 80 books. He is well known for cartoonist and he is also a painter. He was awarded National Award for Tisri Ank, that is a collection of short stories. He wrote 80 books. In the year 2007, he has an intention to conserve water by repairing taps free of charge. In the last 13 years, the foundation has visited over 2000 houses and saved about 20 million liters of water. Do you think there is need to conserve the water? Yes, there is need to conserve the water. If not a drop would be left on earth. Trees also need water to grow. If there are no trees available in the atmosphere, then the oxygen will not be available and also we cannot survive. Animals also need water to survive. We use water in different ways such as cooking, bathing, drinking, washing, cleaning, etc. The steady depletion of water resources is a very serious threat that the world is posed with. Therefore, we must do our best to save water on every occasion. Ways to conserve water. Prefer to use the shower, not always a bath. When brushing your teeth, close the tap. Use the watering can to water the plants. Don't play too much with water in the summer. We should try to reuse our rainwater. Use rainwater harvesting technique. Ravi and Manohar had a common idea that he and his friends about water conservation was related to water pollution. The sources of water get contaminated by excess pollution. The images of water pollution showed that dumping of sewage in water by big factories and households was the main reason for water pollution. Now let's see what is water pollution. It is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities. It also contaminates the natural environment. Now let's see what are the causes of water pollution. Discharge of domestic and industrial effluent waste, leakage from water tanks, marine dumping, radioactive waste, and atmospheric deposition are the major causes of water pollution. The wasting of water also leads to water depletion. Depletion of water means scarcity of water, which means that there is a lack of water. It is a lack of sufficient available of fresh water resources to meet water demand. Mani and Ravi were eagerly waiting for this NGO to visit their place. And they were also fed up with the saying that close your tap, use water only as much as you require. And they thought it would be the same old thing. These two boys want some development in their society. They were also amused that the idea of people about things they already knew. They liked the idea of being seen on television or to have a photo of their society in the newspaper. They even placed a bet to see if any media personnel would be covering the whole affair. They were surprised to see a person coming and handed over them a pamphlet. In that pamphlet, there was a message for repairing their leaking taps, that too for free. On Sunday, Ravi was sitting in his drawing room and reading a comic book. He heard the bell ring. Suddenly, he went and opened. Then he has seen an NGO with a plumber, that is Riaz, came to repair the leaking tap. Both of them were wearing t-shirts with the same logo as on the posters. The older man has a kind face and both of them were friendly. Ravi, being a talkative boy, started chatting with Mr. Surti. Riaz was busy with the tap. Ravi asked him, "On Sundays, even on Sundays you work?" Mr. Surti explained that he was actually an artist. He earned his living by writing books and painting. Ravi asked him why don't they even pay for it? Then he replied, he do the work not for pay, but for his little kindness. When he was small, the people used to fight for water on the street. He remembered those fights and he has understood and realized the importance of water. Then, what causes the scarcity of water he realized and explained to uncivilized way people possible. He also said that around 10 million liters of water can be just repaired by taps. If a tap drips once every second, 1,000 liters of water would go waste in just a month. Ravi was exclaimed, "That is a lot of water," he said. With this, therefore, we need to understand the need of water. We need to save water. And he has smiled and appreciated the slogan, "Save every drop or drop dead." Thank you.